You cannot add a McDonald's gift card directly to DoorDash. DoorDash only accepts official DoorDash gift cards as a payment method. Restaurant gift cards, including McDonald's Arch cards, are not supported. To use your McDonald's gift card, you must order through the McDonald's app instead. What the process does? The McDonald's app allows you to add your Arch card as a payment method. You can then place orders directly through the app using your gift card balance. Steps to use the McDonald's app. First, open the McDonald's app on your iPhone or Android device. If you do not have the app installed, download it from your device's app store and sign into your account. Tap the Profile or More tab at the bottom of the screen. Select payment methods or wallet depending on the app version. Tap Add a payment card and enter the number from your McDonald's gift card. Save it to your account. Build your order by selecting the food and drinks you want. At checkout, make sure your McDonald's Arch card is selected as the payment method. Place your order to complete the purchase using your gift card balance. Limitation. This method works only for orders placed through the McDonald's app. You cannot use a McDonald's gift card on DoorDash. This process is best suited for users who want to spend their McDonald's gift card balance directly through the McDonald's app. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more guides.